Hi everyone, welcome back once again. I hope you are great. As you can see that I'm on the terrace and it's time for recording. So today in this video I'm going to tell you that what should you be doing and what is more matter when it's come to social media platform. A lot of you guys have asked me that dollar I trying everything, doing my best to create the content, but my Instagram's followers are not increasing. What we should do, what are the things we have to follow so we can increase our followers. That's all I'm going to cover right in this video, that what is more matter, follower or engage follower. So I'm going to talk about in these two topic today, so keep till the end and watch this video and you will find a lot of insights that what you have to focus more on and how it will help you to grow your audience, or it will grow you your social dominance in these social media platforms. So stay tuned till the end and watch this video completely. I hope you found a lot of insight. So the number one advice I want to give to those of you who are really very concerned about their following, I must recommend you and I must tell you guys that you should never be in this trap so-called number. You should never judge yourself on the base of the number, that how much follower you have on your social media profile. You can go and you can find multiple and many accounts on Instagram, they have followers in millions, but when you look at their engagement, like how much engagement they are getting on their post, you will find not even 0.2% engagement they are getting as compared to their profile. So never ever try to be so-called number, that how much number you have, how to increase this number. Never ever try to focus on the number. Try to focus more on your quality engagement with your followers. Like whatever follower you have, if they are interacting with your post, that means they are your quality followers. They really like your content, and whatever you share on your Instagram profile or no matter whichever social media profile, if they are interacting with you, if they are leaving comments, not the comments like good, happy, some symbols, if you really able to build some meaningful conversation on the post, that means you are really helping them. And the main purpose of having a social media followings, if you really wants to be an influencer, if you really wants to share your knowledge, no matter what, if you are solving someone's problem, that should be your rule. So never ever try to be in this trap. Try to solve the people's problem. If your domain is good in any particular field, but like in my case, that I'm good in fitness, I know about the nutrition and about the workouts. So through that, I will help, like the followers who I have on my social media profile, I will try to help them through my knowledge. So this is should be your primary motive, that you try to solve the problem of your followers. Those who are following you, they are following you for a reason. Maybe you are sharing amazing content, they really like your content, so you have to provide constant value to them. If they message you, if they want to ask you, respond them. In this way you would able to build a relationship, and that is one of the most important things. No matter how many followers you have on your social media profile, if you have quality followers who engage with your post, they're going to bring a lot of value in your life, in the growth of your social media profile, and in the terms of business. You have no idea that how much value they're going to add in your life. Just imagine, let me give an example so it will help you to understand even in more better way. In my case, I'm in fitness domain. So what I will do, I will try to create contents around fitness, and through that I will try to help the peoples. Like if they have doubt regarding the nutrition, I will clear their doubt. If I have the, like they have doubt about the fitnesses and workout, I will clear their doubt. So what actually I'm doing through my social media profile, I'm helping them, I'm providing value, I'm increasing their knowledge whatever I have. So in this way, what if I able to just influence 20 peoples, maybe 100 peoples, like you talk about millions or 10k followers. Here I'm talking about a very small number. Like if you able to influence 100 peoples, you just imagine that how many business you can able to generate from them, in terms of money, in terms of getting influence, or in terms of monetary benefit. Like how much business you're going to generate from them. Generating business through your social profile, it doesn't mean that you have to sell product to them. It's like you have to recommend those product which you use on yourself, which you find that if they use this one, it will help them in their growth, in their muscle building, or in their fat loss journey, which you have used on yourself, and which you think that this is what they need as per their goal and as per their journey. So in this way, you can able to just create the monetary benefit for yourself. You are using your influence, providing the right value to your audience, recommending the right thing. I'm not telling you that you have to recommend the nonsense thing for the money. You have to recommend the right thing which they actually need for their helping, for their growth. So this is how you're going to use the following of that small number. If they buy 100 people buy the product which you recommend, just imagine that how much money you are making there. I'm not talking about huge number, just take the small number and try to contribute and give them value. The moment you start providing value, so if you start in this way, like if you provide value to your followers, what will happening? Like exactly here you are building your community, and it's over the period you're going to build a strong foundations. It not only help you to create a good influence for the peoples, it will help you to grow them and grow yourself on the social media platform as well, in terms of both fame and money. So always try to give value to them, talk to them. Whenever they ask you any question in the comment or in the message, try to reply them, because they trust you, that's why they follow you, and they believe that whatever things you're going to recommend them, like it's true, that's why they are following you. They're believing in you, and that is one of the most important factor when it's come to social media. They believe you, that's why they are following you. So always recommend good thing, provide huge value to your audience, and in this way you can able to build a better community. So this is what I want to clear. Never ever be in this trap that you having less followers. Try to go for quality engagement, and once you start looking for quality engagement, you will find that your follower is not only increasing, but you are creating better engagement, better community, and you are providing amazing value, and ultimately it's going to help you in a long run. Never ever go for the short things, never try to be too silly to your audience. Try to provide value always, and never ever be in this trap of having huge followers. It's good to show to the people that look, I have 10k followers or 1 million followers on my Instagram profile, but when you look at their content, are they really engaging? No. So go for engagement rather than for having a huge numbers. So this is what I advise to all of you. Just try to focus on building right community. No matter you have less follower, it's okay. If you're able to increase the engagement, if you're able to build a better community which really likes your content, that's all you have to focus. If you have followers in million but they are not engaging, but if you're having 1,000 or 2,000 followers but they are really engaging, it will give you a huge growth in your social media profile, in this social media platform, in your career. So this is what you have to focus more on. So that's it in this video. If you really want to know anything else about this social media or fitness, health, do let me know in the comment section. I love to help you out. Or if there are tools, a lot of tools which help you to make your social media marketing even in very easy, or it will help you to grow in a more better way. So I'm going to make a dedicated video on that. I will tell you that how you can use it. So for this video, bye bye, see you in the next one. I hope you'd like it.